So this is for assignment 2 and this is question number 1. Here we make sure that vertices at the edges have different colors and vertices at the middle are yellow, and this will ensure that we get the star pattern like this over here. This is happening because interpolation of colors is happening, and that is what is causing it to appear like this. And for the second one, this is for the second one, and over here we are making sure that vertex duplication occurs so that we can get unique colors like this. If there is no vertex duplication, then interpolation would have taken place and we would have gotten the same result as question number 1. And now we have question number 3. Over here we are putting colors first and the position second, and no changes is being made to the shader. This is and we are doing this by changing the layout format. Here color is a vec4 and it occupies the first 16-bit, and the offset is being set to 0 because color is in the first place, and position is in the second place. And since color is a vec4, so it's 16 bytes. The position is being set to an offset of 16, and it produced the same result as before. And finally, for question number 4, using a constant buffer, we are passing in two colors, red and yellow, and if we change that, it will change the whole. Now if I change the red to yellow to blue and red to green, it changes colors. And this is achieved by adding a if else conditional statement inside the shaders. And now for the further work, the first is like what's the difference between constant buffer and shader constant. So shader constant is actually inside the constant buffer. Constant buffer is actually like a struct, and shader constant is like a variable, but instead it's a constant variable. So the constant C buffer contains different shader constant, and C buffer is basically used as an optimization technique. So we can have different C buffers, and each C buffer contains shader constant. So how we separate it is like the frequency of update. So how frequently the shader constant inside the buffer is being updated, different buffers are created. So that's the main difference between a constant buffer and shader constant. And for the second question, this is the demo 4. So the reason we are getting this is because from initially, like, we are passing the vertices to the input stage, and it reaches the vertex shader stage, and it determines the position of the vertices. If it's in 3D, like it's determining the position of the vertices, but since this is 2D, nothing is being happened here. Then it is being passed to the rasterizer stage where it's being converted from the world space to the screen space, and that's why the math here works. Like once it passed to the pixel stage, so what for what is being passed in the vertex stage is zero, uh, is being converted into pixel coordinates in the screen space, and with that pixel coordinate is being used to calculate the color,